Alright, this is for you, Kyle. A little help on getting you started. You're going to need a SMEdit, starmadewiki.com/wiki smedit. Download this thing, and you're going to put that into your Starmade where your installation is. See, a little Starmade. Plop that right in there. You're also going to want to throw, probably going to need this program, Bindvox. You want to throw that in there. And glute. Throw the DLL in there too. And once you got those, SketchUp Warehouse. Oh yeah, you're gonna need SketchUp too. So grab that. Find a one you want. Here we got the Borg Cube. So you just download that bad boy. Load her up. Yeah, shut up. So we got the one we want. Looks pretty cool. Got some cool little designs on it. You're gonna export that as a 3D model and OBJ file. So we'll just name this Borg, and toss it somewhere with the rest of your stuff where you're gonna throw your models. So we'll export that. We can get rid of this. Next, you're gonna want to go to where your Bindvox is. Alrighty. That's alright. So, Bindvox is pretty simple. Bindvox, you're going to do -D for your diameter. 1024 is the largest. That's over 1 billion blocks, so you might not be able to handle that. 500 is good average size, still pretty large, so we'll do 500. And then to help out, -RI, it's going to be remove interior, borg.obj. That's going to basically convert every vector it can find into voxels, and once it basically pixels. Yeah. It's going to render it, so we'll let that render for a second. So next, you're going to want to go to where you dumped off your SMEdit in your actual installation folder. And open that guy. Oh, yep, there's my little event horizon that's all laggy. Alright, so we're going to do import Bindvox. Browse to your folder, borg.bindvox. So down here you can see how many blocks is going. Now that's not all the blocks in it, that's every block in the 500 by 500 by 500 grid. So yeah, 125 million I think that is. Yeah, 125 million. So it might take a little bit. You can also make it a little smaller if you want, make it go faster. Alright, so what did we say this thing was? So it's 500 by 500, and the core is at 8, so we're probably going to have to move the core by a little under 250. Otherwise, the core is going to be in the very middle of the ship, and you're not going to be able to fly it around. So you go to Modify and Move, and that moves the core. So we'll say we'll move the core for, let's see, 250 blocks. Don't draw. Alright. We'll just pretend. Alright, so next we're gonna save as blueprint. Borg. Boom. And this is the reason you want it in your game folder, because that way blueprints get saved to your game. So we'll exit out of this, And alright, so we are in the game. Oh, here's my crappy little shuttlecraft. It's my big ass event horizon. So let's see. We're gonna take this over and we're gonna head to the shop to go pick up the schematic. So from the shop, navigation, no, catalog, Borg, buy. Now it'll be free for the blueprint, but you still have to get the blocks. So we're gonna use a little bit of cheating. So we need gray standard armor, which I happen to know is 5. So what is that? 100. Wow, that's a lot of blocks. 1,753,935. That's quite a bit. So the command is going to be /give ID name, capitalize if you are, punctuate, or all that shit matters. Standard hull armor is 5. You can look up the ID on the wiki, and we're going to need 1,753,935. And add same number. Each. And then we need to buy a ship's core. Add the core. And then we're going to want to move somewhere away because it's going to be big. Alright, how about here? Get out of our shuttlecraft. Yeah, I gotta finish that ship. Alright. And right click, spawn Borg Cube. Oh, mama. And there you go. That should help the whole ship load in. I hope. Now where the core is, I have no idea. Jesus, look at that thing. Like I said, it's trial and error, and trying to move the core is a little bit... Ooh, I think that's actually it right there. Yep, that's it. We got lucky. Look at that. That was right on the outside.